You name dropped the eBPF Summit. Can you talk a little bit about where do eBPF people hang out, what kind of conferences to find them at, and I guess why people should come to the next eBPF Summit?
Yeah, so I really like eBPF Summit because it highlights all the biggest developments in eBPF over the past year. So some of the keynotes that we had was like one, Johannes talking about like how he used Java to write a Linux scheduler. And then we also had Thomas talking about like future of eBPF, where it's going. I'm sure we'll talk about that later in our conversation. We had Shweta from Netflix talking about how Netflix is using eBPF and how it's changing how they're doing systems observability. Yeah, and I think eBPF Summit is cool because you're seeing a lot of the different cutting edge use cases that are coming out of the eBPF ecosystem. And we really see it as a way for people to come together and talk about what are the exciting use cases for eBPF. It's like people who are writing their own programs, like how do you do it? What are the different use cases and how are we going to do it better in the next year? And then like from there, if you're talking about like different conferences, I think you can either go like up or like more deeper. And so if you're going to go deeper, actually, there's Linux Plumbers Conference